have leftover rotisserie chicken? Use it to cook fried rice. Fried rice is so easy to make, and the best part is it's a complete meal. There's protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables all in one pot. Fried rice is an easy one-pot recipe. How to cook fried rice with rotisserie chicken leftovers. Step 1. Mince leftover rotisserie chicken. Remove any bones and ligaments. Step 2. Heat the pan in medium-high and add oil to the pan. Step 3. When the pan is hot, add minced onion and saute until translucent. Sprinkle some salt on the onion. Step 4. Add rotisserie chicken to the onion and saute. Add soy sauce and salt. Take a little time to work on your rotisserie chicken. I often find rotisserie chicken meat bland, so taste it as you cook and add more salt if it still tastes bland. Keep cooking the rotisserie chicken until golden brown. Step 5. Add frozen peas. You can add other frozen vegetables as well, like corn or carrots. Step 6. Add cooked rice. Leftover rice is ideal for fried rice. But if you don't have leftover rice, freshly cooked rice will do. Step 7. Add soy sauce. Drizzle some soy sauce on the rice. Mix it in with the rice. You want to make sure there's soy sauce all over the rice. This takes time. Be patient. Step 8. Cook scrambled eggs in a separate pan. Make sure you season it with salt. Add the eggs to the rice pan when it's cooked. You'll notice that I cooked the eggs in a separate pan, but you can cook the eggs right in the rice pan. It will just give it a little bit of a sticky texture because the eggs will coat the rice. It's up to you. If you're too lazy to wash another pan, then cook the eggs right in the same pan. Step 9. Keep mixing the rice. Taste it and add more salt or soy sauce as needed. Step 10. Serve and enjoy. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for more food videos like this. Thanks for watching.